Lord, take my life and let it be consecrated.
Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotion na una daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Saturday, 19th October 2024. The topic wey we get today na Challenges of Success, Part 1. We go see our memory verse for Hosea chapter 13 verse 6, wey talk say, "But now, when una enter better land, una don dey okay, dey carry body up come forget me." Our Bible reading dey for Daniel chapter 4 verse 25 to 35. Dem go drive you comot from where human being dey stay, and you go stay with animals. Na 7 years you go take chop grass like malu, and you go sleep for open field, where dew go fall for your body, until you go know say na the Most High God get power over every kingdom, and He dey give am to anybody wey He like. When dem say make dem leave the tree body for ground, e mean say dem go give you back your kingdom when you don know say na God be the only oga of all ogas for this world. So my king, make you follow my advice. Make you turn from sin come meet God o. Dey do good thing and pity poor people, then you go continue to prosper. So all these things happen to King Nebuchadnezzar after 12 months as he dey waka for the roof for him palace for Babylon. He come say, "This no be the great Babylon wey be the royal town wey I build by myself to show my power, strength, glory and honor?" As he still dey talk, one voice come from heaven come say, "King Nebuchadnezzar, make you hear wetin I dey talk. God don comot your kingdom from your hand. Dem go drive you comot from where human being dey stay, and you go stay with animals. Na 7 years you go take chop grass like malu, come sleep for open field where dew go fall for your body, until you go know say na the Most High God get power over every kingdom, and He dey give am to anybody wey He like." So the word wey God talk about Nebuchadnezzar come happen. Dem drive am comot from where human being dey, and he come go dey stay with animals. He chop grass like malu for 7 years, and dew fall for him body until him hair come long like bird own. But when the 7 years don pass, me Nebuchadnezzar come look heaven, and my sense come back to me. I praise the Most High God, come give honor and glory to the person wey dey live forever, and Him kingdom go last forever. You no fit compare God with anybody for this world. He dey do wetin He like with the angels for heaven and people for this world. Nobody fit challenge am or ask am wetin you think say you dey do. Now the message. Many people dey pursue success. Na good thing o, but to dey successful get im own challenges. Success don destroy plenty people for past because dem no dey prepare for the challenge wey come with am. For the next few days, I go talk about some of the challenges wey come with success with una. I fit no share everything for the series sha, but I just hope say wetin you go learn go help you prepare for success, because you go dey successful till you die in Jesus' name. The first challenge of success na pride. For Genesis chapter 48 verse 1 to 20, the blessing wey belong to firstborn, Ephraim grandpapa give am to Ephraim, and because of this, Ephraim come become more successful than him brother Manasseh. Na so pride come enter Ephraim heart. God beg am sotey he no listen. For Hosea chapter 4 verse 16 to 19, God talk say make dem leave Ephraim alone. By the time we reach Hosea 5 verse 9, God talk say Ephraim go dey empty and lonely. For Revelation chapter 7 verse 5 to 8, when they count all the different tribes of Israel, Ephraim no dey among them. The pride wey enter Ephraim heart after he succeed, na that same pride na him destroy am o. Proverbs chapter 16 verse 18 talk say, "Pride dey bring destruction, and stubbornness fit kill person." Those people wey dey down no go dey fear say they go fall. The higher wey you take dey go, you need to dey careful more so you no go fall o. And na dis carefulness na im go drive you to become humble more as you dey rise. James chapter 4 verse 6 talk say, but he give us plenty grace. Na dis make God word say, God dey against person wey dey carry body up, but he dey give grace to people wey dey humble. Na only by God grace you fit get everything wey you get and those things still dey with you. If you come dey carry your shoulder up, God go comot the grace and the result go come be disgrace. No let God hate you o. No allow make pride enter your heart at all. Do everything for your power to make sure say you no dey think about yourself pass who you really be. No look down on anybody and no look things as too low for you. Make Matthew chapter 20 verse 26 to 28 continue to dey ring inside your head, wey talk say the person wey go be greatest must be servant of all. Jesus Christ show us example of service and humility for John chapter 13 verse 1 to 17. He also make am clear say na the way to take dey great for God's kingdom be dis o. We go see dis one for Luke chapter 22 verse 24 to 27. My brethren, look for means to take serve others than make others serve you o, so that God go continue to dey lift you up. The main point for today's message be say, no matter how high God take raise you, no allow make pride enter your heart o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.